Hello everyone, Evan here, and today I've got something truly exciting to share. I recently discovered 6 surprising side hustles that you might have never heard of. These unique side gigs aren't just fun, they can be highly profitable too. In fact, one of them might even replace your day job. So, are you ready to learn how you can make hundreds of dollars per week, receive free products, and even earn thousands? Let's kick things off with the first one, user generated content. Brands are investing a lot in this first approach. They want authentic content from real customers. You've probably seen this video on TikTok, Instagram, and even product reviews on Amazon. The best part, anyone can jump into this world today. All you need to do is go to a platform like Fiverr, create an account, and offer your services. Start with unboxing videos for Amazon shopping content. You can even expand your offerings to TikTok and Instagram. Companies will send you their products and ask you to create a brief, compelling review video. In many cases, they'll let you keep the product. Now, here's something surprising. Did you know that you can earn money by assembling IKEA furniture for others? It might sound too simple, but many people prefer to pay for assembly. IKEA sells a bookshelf every 5 seconds, and there's plenty of work available. Getting started is straightforward. You only need a few basic tools like a screwdriver and maybe spend around 20 for a decent power drill for efficiency. Whether you invest in few hours a week or dive into this full time, the potential income is substantial. TV mounting, bed frame assembly, and more, the opportunities are limitless. Now, let me share a truly surprising source of income, fixing and selling broken devices. When most people have malfunctioning device, they often throw it away or sell it for a low price. But for you, this presents a golden opportunity. Imagine buying a damaged iPhone for a fraction of the original price, disassembling it, and selling the functioning component. Many devices have numerous fully functional components, even if one part is broken. There's a rapidly growing market for these components. And now, something truly unexpected. Oak acorns. During the autumn season, millions of acorns fall from oak trees, and people are willing to buy them. Believe it or not, these small items can be used for decoration, art, crafts, or even feeding animals. But what if you don't have access to real acorns? No problem, you can sell artificial acorns and people buy them too. Sites like AliExpress offer them and create prices, and you can sell them for a profit on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and many others. Next, we've got a surprise for all your gamers out there. Did you know that you can make money by selling in game items and characters for real money? Sites like player auctions have been doing it since 1999. Popular games like Roblox, GTA 5, Rocket League, World of Warcraft, and RuneScape have in-game currency or rare items. People buy this with real money, contributing to the 29 billion in-game purchase market that keeps growing. I know this side hustle may seem unexpected, but they offer real potential for substantial earnings. Whether you're creating compelling content, assembling furniture, or exploring other unique ideas, the possibilities are endless. You have the potential to boost your income, so don't hesitate to try one or more of these options. Always remember that you can achieve anything you set your mind to in life. Your potential is limitless. Stay confident, stay motivated, and you'll achieve success. Thanks you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.